Hey everyone, Simon Ree here, and in this quick video, I just want to share with you a really good tell that the recent pullback we saw in the S&P 500 was a correction within an uptrend rather than the start of a new downtrend. And it's all to do with corrective versus impulsive wave structures. So let me explain what that means. Bear with me a second. So, corrective versus impulsive wave structures. An impulsive wave, and we'll look at a downtrend because that's sort of what we're more focused on at the moment, but an impulsive downtrend is going to look something like this. So the broad trend is down and we get these little counter trend rallies within the broader downtrend. Now what's critical here is that these counter trend rallies don't rally up to the previous low. Okay, that they don't overlap. So you see this little rally up here, back up to this zone here. It doesn't overlap with the previous low. Now compare that with what we call a corrective wave structure, which is going to look something like this. And so what I really want to highlight is that this corrective rally up here overlaps with the previous low. Same here. This corrective rally here overlaps with the previous low. So that's what we call a corrective structure. So this one is impulsive. And this one is corrective. Now try and remember these wave structures, and one's not overlapping, the other one is overlapping when we go and have a look at the S&P 500. So here's a chart of the S&P 500 futures, and I'm just going to drop down to an hourly chart to make it much easier to see. So we've had this decline from the high of 47.40 to the recent low of 44.92. So what was the big giveaway that this was more than likely a correction within an uptrend rather than a new impulsive downtrend? Well, it was all due to the wave structure. So we had a high to a low, and then we had a rally. But if you have a look at where this rally ran up to, it overlapped with the previous lows here. And then we had another decline, and then another rally, and this rally here overlapped with the previous low. And then we had another decline, and then another rally, and this rally actually exceeded the previous high. Then we had another decline and another rally, and this rally here overlapped with that previous low. So this was what we call a corrective wave structure. It wasn't impulsive. And usually you will see an impulsive wave structure if it's a with trend move. Now let's have a look at the rally that we've had in the S&P 500 futures. So we've had a rally and then a pullback and then another rally and another little pullback. And you see how this pullback here, this low, didn't get anywhere near the previous low. And then we had another rally up here and then a pullback. And again, this low didn't get anywhere near this previous low. So this is clearly an impulsive structure, which gives us a big clue that this is a with trend move. Okay, so just to summarize, this wave structure was corrective. And this one definitely looks impulsive, which is a really important clue that the dominant trend remains higher. That's all I got for you today, folks. I hope it helps. If you'd like to learn more about trading, sharpen up your trading, or learn from scratch, head on over to taoiftrading.com. That's TAO of trading.com. Join my mailing list and make sure you don't miss out on more free trading tips. And until next time, I wish you good trading.